Wagwan me YouTube family, and welcome back to another video. So today, from the title, you know what we're going to make. Guys, you know what we're gonna cook today. So today we're gonna be whipping up some cow skin with bean. So first, you want to start off by ensuring you have a very sharp knife, guys, because cow skin tough. If you no cook cow skin before, you know say cow skin tough. So we sharpen up a knife and we're going to start cut the cow skin into small pieces. But before you start cutting the cow skin, you want to ensure that you clean up the cow skin. Guys, the cow skin is very tough and rubbery, so you have to ensure that you have a very sharp knife working with. So we're just going to continue to cutting the cow skin into smaller pieces. Okay, so we finished cut the cow skin. We're going to wash with vinegar and season. So we just have to cut up with seasoning. You don't know the ropes already. The scallion, the onion, garlic, thyme, scallion. Yes, I say scallion already, right? So we just have to cut up with seasoning and just add to the cow skin. So same way like how you cook up on a chicken, season up on a chicken and them something there. Yes, it's the same way you're going to season the cow skin. So nothing different. So we're gonna also add some crushed pimento seeds. We also add some salt, or Maggi all-purpose seasoning, so you can use the season of your choice. Looking very lovely, guys. And then what you're going to do is we're gonna also add some browning. So you just want to drizzle the browning of your choice. So you can sprinkle lightly. This is optional though, guys, because it's not everybody like to cook their cow skin and bean with browning. So if you want to add browning, you can go ahead and add the browning. If not, you can leave it out. Okay guys, so we finished now, and this is how the cow skin is looking, well seasoned. So next we're going to prepare for pressuring. So you're gonna add the cow skin to your pressure cooker or whatever you're going to be using to pressure the cow skin. And you're going to also add some water to pressure the cow skin. So you want to add enough water to cover the cow skin so that during the pressuring process it doesn't dry out, right? So you can pressure for about 30 to 40 minutes, and if it is not pressured during that time, you can go ahead and add some additional time. So it depends on the type of cow skin that you are going to use, because you know some cow skin soft and some tough. Yes, so if it is tougher, it's going to require more time to pressure. So you want to start off with about 30 to 40 minutes, and if it is not pressured, then you can increase the time. So with our cow skin, we pressured it for about 35 minutes. And after the 35 minutes, it was fork tender. Okay guys, as you can see, the cow skin is fork tender after 35 minutes of pressure. So next we're going to pour it into another pan, and we'll continue season up the cow skin, you know, just forget it the way we like it. Put in we look, you know, extra season, flavoring and all of those good stuff. So we just transfer it into another pot, and we're going to slow cook and add our additional seasoning to finish the cow skin and the bean. Next, we're going to allow the pot to come to a boil, right? And afterwards, we're going to add our seasoning. So the seasoning that we did already cut up, the scallion and the thyme, onion and so forth. We're going to add it now to the pot and get that seasoning incorporated into our cow skin, right? It's a little bit dark, right? So you can monitor the amount of browning that you add, because the browning, it was a little bit too much browning was added, but it is fine, it is okay, right? But if you don't want it that dark, you can minimize the amount of browning that you add, but it's not bitter, guys, right? Because remember, with the cow skin, when you brown it, everything is gonna slide off because there's nothing to hold the browning to, because that's cow skin, right? So eventually the liquid will turn brown, but that's fine, that's perfectly okay. So you add your seasoning and you allow it to slow cook until it is thick. So next we're going to add some Maggi cock soup. So we just add water to the cock soup and sieve it, just the flavor we needed, right? This is optional, guys, this is by choice, you don't have to add that if you don't want to. And then we're going to leave it there to continue to simmer. Next, we're going to also add our Grace butter bean. And you want to add the butter bean just as soon as the cow skin is fully simmered down and almost finished. So you can add it about 5 minutes before the cow skin is finished. When you go turn off the pot, yes, when you're almost ready to turn off the pot, them time there you add the butter bean, right? Because you don't want the butter bean to mash out not the pot too much. So you're going to add it closer to when the cow skin finish and it don't simmer down and all of that. Just cover your pot and look at that delicious cow skin and bean and allow it to simmer down. And here is our delicious and mouth-watering fork tender cow skin and bean. Look at that, guys. Lovely. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Look at that steam, guys. Only thing you need now is a side with some white rice or some rice and peas, or if you want some food with it, whatever you want to eat with this, you can have whatever you want to have for your choice. You can go ahead and just enjoy this delicious cow skin and bean. I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, guys, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button to show us that you enjoy this video. And if you are new and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? We just want to give special shout out to Luther Ferguson, who is always and constantly tuning in to our videos. Also special shout out to Shantae Harvey, one of our subscribers. Thank you for tuning into our videos and thank you for watching our videos. And also Richard Morris. Shout out to you, Richard Morris. Thank you all for watching and subscribing, and we'll continue to give our shout outs. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.